Namaste, this is Rahul Kumar from Asino.com, and today I'm here with Mrs. to get a feedback of how her experience at Asino has been. Namaste.
नमस्ते।
So, आप सबसे पहले हमें ये बताइए कि आप Asino में जब पहले आई थी, the first time you came to Asino, what brought you to Asino?
I at that point was going through a very difficult period in my life. It had been almost a year or 2 years of one problem after another. Usually I'm very logical and analytical about it, tried every possible thing I could, and still the problems persisted. And suddenly the clarity that I had, what am I dealing with, was not there. And to be very frank, I had that point had not much clue what Asino was, but what made me walk in at that point was I was basically looking at a little more clarity कि क्या चल रहा है life में and what can I do about it.
My next question to you would be, what have you gained from Asino?
To begin with, two things, right? One, my conversations itself with Rahul helped, right? It helped me understand, to get a complete outsider's point of view of looking at what was going in my life, and the overall emotional, mental energy that it had drained from me, there was someone else helping me look at my life and understand कि क्या चल रहा है and what can we look at, how we prioritize the problems, what to be addressed first. So that overall guidance and mentorship helped a lot. Apart from that, as I said, when I walked in, I was in a very difficult state of mind, mentally, emotionally, physically as well, and there were a lot of problems in my life. And he did the first 3 days, he does a aura scanning, before which he doesn't suggest much. He says that that's the minimum that he needs to first do. But what my experience was that first 3 days of that itself, I felt a relief. Relief in every possible way, right? My problems in my life were still there, but I felt like I had more mental clarity and more bandwidth emotionally and physically to look at those problems and deal with it. And for me, where I was when I walked in, that itself was a huge help, right? And slowly and steadily he helped deal with those problems, prioritize those problems, understanding what can be done. And there were different services clubbed together, sometimes separately, sometimes together, that helped me address each of those problems one by one to a great degree and gave me a sense of control of my own life back to me. So now, even though a lot of those problems might still persist in some form or the other, not to that intensity, but at least I feel more in control of my life to know that I'll be able to deal with them better.
Amazing. Thank you so much. One last question before we end this. What are the 1 or 2 suggestions that you have for us on how we can improve what we are doing currently?
I think one is something that I've already told Rahul multiple times, that he needs to get a better space, a little more privacy, I think. That's logistical more. But apart from that, if I look at it, I think different people need different approaches, right? I fundamentally was someone who needed to have a lot of conversations with Rahul to understand and, for the things that he was doing to help me. But sometimes I also notice that certain customers do need that's not the way how they deal with their problems. So I think it would help for you to at least initially focus more on the relief part rather than the conversation part, because sometimes it doesn't really help them much to begin with, right? जब एक बार शांत हो जाते हैं and the people are more at steady, then maybe they have the capacity to start thinking and looking at their life, because let's be frank, 85% of people are not used to being very introspective about their own lives, right? And when they're already coming in at a difficult point in their life and walking to talk to you, expecting them to have that capacity itself is sometimes, drains the last amount of energy they have, right? So giving them back some of their feeling good and feel controlled physically, mentally, emotionally, and then once that relief has set in, then redirecting towards them might be a better approach for a lot of your customers.
Thank you so much. It's been amazing. And we'll always be there for you.
I really hope so.
Thank you so much. Appreciate your time.